Buterin justifies long Ethereum unstaking process amid criticism over 43-day delays. Ethereum staking. Vitalik Buterin defends Ethereum's 43-day unstaking delays as essential security feature amid developer criticism over $5 billion trapped in validator exit queues. Crypto journalist Hassan. Crypto journalist Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. September 18, 2025. Vitalik Buterin defended the 43-day Ethereum unstaking delays amid growing industry criticism over trapped validator funds. Currently, 2,489,358 ETH sits in the exit queue facing a 43-day wait, while 35.6 million ETH are staked across 1,048,413 active validators earning 2.87% APR, as per ValidatorQueue's data. Buterin responded to developer Robert Sagg's criticism that withdrawal delays exceed traditional banking timeframes and harm user experience for retail investors. It's more like a soldier deciding to quit the army. Staking is about taking on a solemn duty to defend the chain. Buterin wrote on X, emphasizing that friction in quitting is part of the deal. Developer tensions over user experience. The exchange highlighted growing tensions between Ethereum's technical design priorities and mainstream user expectations for digital asset liquidity. Sags criticized the disconnect between wallet messaging that promotes easy yield and the reality of unpredictable withdrawal delays that can trap funds when users need them most. What about the average user who is suffering with the delay and needs to pay bills? Sags questioned, arguing that clearer disclosure about redemption periods would help users make informed decisions. But Buterin acknowledged these UX concerns, admitting the Ethereum Foundation needs to be more active at the UX layer, and has been working to address usability issues over recent months. The Ethereum founder argued that reducing exit delays would make the chain much less trustworthy from the POV of any node that does not go online very frequently, positioning the delays as essential for maintaining network stability. Queue dynamics create market tension. The current validator queue mechanics operate through strict churn limits of 256 validators per epoch, creating bottlenecks when exit demand surges beyond the network's processing capacity. Recent market data shows the exit queue peaked at over 1 million ETH worth approximately $5 billion in late August, before settling to current levels, still requiring 43 days to clear completely. Meanwhile, the entry queue containing 432,077 ETH faces just a 7-day wait, creating an asymmetric dynamic that traps more supply than it releases in the short term. This imbalance has created what analysts describe as artificial supply shortages, with previous Cryptonews reports highlighting how 833,000 ETH trapped in queues reduced available trading supply. The 9.1-day sweep delay adds additional friction to the exit process, meaning validators face multiple layers of waiting even after initiating unstaking requests. Exchange flow data reveals these queue dynamics are reducing sell pressure, with Bitcoin and Ethereum inflows hitting one-year lows as larger holders avoid moving assets to trading platforms. Staking demand has continued growing despite the exit delays, with the queue reaching $3.7 billion in early September, its highest level since the Shanghai upgrade enabled withdrawals in 2023. Security versus liquidity trade-offs spark broader debate. Notably, the unstaking controversy is a fundamental tension between blockchain security models and modern financial expectations for asset liquidity. Buterin's military analogy reflects Ethereum's proof-of-stake design philosophy, where validator commitments must be sticky enough to prevent coordinated attacks or mass exodus events that could destabilize consensus. Critics argue this creates a dangerous precedent where large holders face material liquidity constraints, potentially amplifying sell pressure when exits do occur or forcing investors toward liquid staking derivatives. The debate has sparked discussions about potential protocol modifications, including proposals for faster validator key switching that would allow repositioning without full exits. One ex-user suggested implementing a faster process to unstake and restake with different clients that's not adding to the queue, to improve client diversity without compromising security guarantees. But Aaron responded favorably to a switch your keys function where validators would remain vulnerable to slashing from old keys temporarily while continuing to stake, describing it as something that would only help and would not hurt any guarantees. However, any changes to the current queue system would require broad consensus among Ethereum developers and stakeholders, given the security implications of reducing validator commitment friction. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Picoin by the end of 2025 breaking. Fed cuts rates by 25 BPS. Bitcoin and Crypto Market Reaction LIV new ChatGPT model predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB whales move 7 trillion tokens overnight. Big crash or massive rally next. 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Institutional on-ramp goes live in October. XRP can become the next Wall Street darling. 6 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Industry Talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 17, 2025. Crypto market rebounds as Bitcoin tops $116,000 ahead of Fed rate call. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 18 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 14 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.